Hello everyone, thank you for watching this week's recitation. So this week's recitation will talk about Homework 11 Part 2, which is about Chapter 11, Oligopoly. In this chapter, we learn the characteristic for the oligopoly, and you should remember the kinked demand curve, so that's special. So in this homework, we will work on some questions related to the demand curve facing the oligopoly. And also, we learn the different way to calculate the market concentration ratio. So for the first question, we're focusing on calculating the concentration ratio for the market. So let's look at the first question. So on the diagram, you can see a pie chart. So this pie chart is about U.S. soda market. So you can find the larger the slice, the larger the market share. So obviously, the Coca-Cola has the largest market share, that is 42.7%. So let's look at the first question, part 1. What is the three-firm concentration ratio in the U.S. soda market? So the three-firm concentration ratio which means we only calculate the top three firms. So look at which will be our top three soda market firms. So the Coca-Cola is top 1, Pepsi is top 2, and the Dr. Pepper's Snapple group, that is top 3, top 3. So we just add those three market share together, we will get the three firm concentration ratio, so which equal to 24.7 plus 30.8 plus 15.3, and we will get 88.8%. So the three firm concentration ratio in the U.S. soda market is 88.8%. So the three firm take up 88.8% of the market share. Now let's look at the second part of this question. What is the maximum value of the HHI in U.S. soda market? So to answer this question, you need to go back to look at your textbook for the to find the definition for HHI in. However, for this one, what we want to do is, so first, we will, based on the diagram, we will know the Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Dr. Pepper Snap, and the Royal Crown. They are top four soda firms, and the others take out 9.1. So the others means one of the largest one within these others are no more than 2.1 market share. So the 2.1 will be the cutoff between the top 4 and the rest of the firms. So in order to calculate the maximum value of the HHI, the first we know the HHI will be equal to the each market share and powered by 2, and we add all of them together and we will get HHI. The hard part is how can we figure out the component for others. In order to figure out the component for 91%, and we need to look at the question. It asks us for the maximum value. So which means if we try to find how many company which can have 2.1 market share can component to 9.1. So that means, and if we use 9.1 divided by 2.1, and we will get 3 and left 0.7. So we can have the rest of 9.1 firms. We can have 2.1%. We can have 3 firms take up 2.1% market share, and the left one firm have 0.7 market share. By doing that, we can maximize the value of the HHI. So the HHI equal to each firm powered by 2, each top firm powered by 2. So it's equal to 42.7 powered by 2 plus 30.8 powered by 2 plus 15.3 powered by 2 plus 2.1 powered by 2. So that is the top 4 company. So for the others, and we separate it into three similar small firms, which take up the market share of 2.1%. So we will have 3 smaller firms plus 1 smaller firms, and which take up a market share of 0.7%. Then you use your calculator and you can calculate the final answer, and it is equal to 3,028.6%. So here the hard part for this question is how can you figure out the component for the 9.1%. So because we know this question is trying to find the maximum value, so we decompose the 9.1% to 3 small firms which take out 2.1%. So and plus 1 more firm which take up 0.7%. So by doing this, we can calculate the maximum HHI, which is 3,082.6%.